Hi, I'm Hardik Trivedi from OpenTech Designs. In this short demo, I'll show you how the Drafting Assistant replaces sheet formats across multiple raw SolidWorks drawing files all at once. Let's have a look at the existing drawing file. And what we want to do is we want to replace this logo with the new one. We already have a new sheet format. So created a new template. This one. So we got a new logo. Also, I have added two custom properties to it: client and project number, that you can see here. So I'm going to close this file. Close this one as well. For the purpose of the demo, let's replace sheet formats in only 5 files. Load the new template. And just hit replace. And that's it. You can see the sheet format has been updated not only on a single sheet but on all the sheets in the drawing file. And that's the replace sheet format tool from SolidWorks Drafting Assistant.